Hi there, well I received a package from SDR Kits and hopefully inside is the kit to build the ARDF receiver, the R3500D. So let's go ahead, break it open and check what's inside. Okay, one nicely padded jiffy bag. More packing. Can be one of these colours. Let's check to see which one we have. Blue. Okay. Matching pink earphones. Not too sure about the colour coordination there. Anyway, sounds like the components are inside the box. What's left inside of the main box? One manual, all in Chinese by the look of it, but at the back a useful circuit diagram and PCB assembly diagram. That's good. And now we have the assembly manual that SDR Kits has produced. Assembly instructions and component list, etc. Okay, let's put that aside. Look at this box again. Battery box on the back. Not sure how we get into it. Just split it, I guess. Yeah. Okay, components are inside. Components, knobs and potentiometers, for rod antenna, printed circuit board. Get that out. Single-sided. There we go. Looks good. One sense antenna. And a little clip to secure the fire rod, I think. Anyway, that's about it. So next job is to have a go and see if we can assemble the kit. Thanks for watching.